Welcome to all in virtual classroom of biology or standard 12 science students produced by Department of Biology is a part of Janta Shikshan Sanstha's Kisanveer Mahavidyalay Y in session number 6 presented by Sri Sushant Kumar Swami. Let's see. In today we are going to discuss concept fertilization. You know very well, fertilization means fusion of male and female gamete to produce zygote. This fertilization is also known as syngamy. This fertilization takes place in fallopian tube. This fertilization completes, this process of fertilization completes in three stages. These stages are known as mechanism. So first stage is movement of sperm. Movement of sperm. In movement of sperm, sperm can travel in female genital tract. When sperm enter in female genital tract, it undergoes capacitation. Capacitation means it increases the mobility of sperm and destabilization of acrosome. These steps occurs in capacitation, and sperm travel from the cervix to fallopian tube like this way. See in the diagram. Next step is when sperm enter in body, it comes to nearer the ovum, and the acrosomal cap releases lysines, means hydrolytic enzymes such as hyaluronidase and proteolytic enzyme. Due to action of enzyme, this membrane dissolve and sperm enter into the ovum. At the same time, this membrane is then again converted into and again become thick. It cannot allow another sperm to enter it. This is the entry of sperm. This stage is known as entry of sperm. Next step is activation of ovum. Activation of ovum means ovum activated. What happens? Let's see. At the when ovum enter into the fallopian tube, until it completed meiosis first and it start meiosis second, it just complete metaphase. The ovum is present in metaphasic condition. When sperm enter into Waltelian membrane, this ovum undergoes meiotic division and it complete meiosis second, and it forms second. We got this second polar bodies and true ovum. This is the activation of ovum. Now this fusion of male and female gamete. Sperm ovum is activated. Sperm enter into the body, and the pronuclei of male and female are mixed together. They form a single celled structure known as zygote. Zygote is diploid in number. It means that 46 chromosomes are present in this zygote. This is the zygote. And then this zygote undergoes next cellular divisions to form embryological development. This is today's concept, fertilization. We detailed study about fertilization. I hope you understand. Then go to continue next. Till then, thank you.